going to do is a 360-degree turn. So I'll do the first one with you.
Okay.
We want to roll the airplane right about there, a little bit of left pedal, and we want to keep it right at 1,500, okay? So we're looking out, and the horizon's not very good today.
Eastbound 1,000 descending for landing Hooper north-south.
And we just kind of keep the airplane level, just turning like this. All the way around in a big old circle. And if you look at this turn coordinator, we're right on the doghouse and the ball's right in the middle. For a standard rate turn. Okay? Alright, I'm going to have you finish it out. We're going to roll out going that way up the beach. Okay? A little bit of back pressure on the yoke. Pull the yoke back a little bit. There we go. Little bit of back pressure. Take a little bit of that bank out. Tammy, roll it out. There you go. Good. Just like that. There you go. And then we'll go up the shoreline a little bit. Very good. Let's move off the coast a little bit. So we'll turn to the left and we'll go out over the water a little bit.
6055, 800 northbound.
All right, let's go ahead. 360 degrees, okay?
Does the rudder go like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
So go ahead and roll it to the left. Good. Little bit of back pressure. We got quite a bit of back angle put in, so let's roll some of that out.
Oh, okay.
All right, about 20 degrees. Each one of these notches is 10 degrees.
Oh, okay.
Police 18, Hollywood Cemetery, westbound 1,300, climbing for cage west. Chris,
Nose down a little bit.
Understood.
All right, good. Right there.
552.
Oh, nose up a little bit.
So fine. 1,000.
There we go. Excellent. All right, let's level out. And let's try one to the right, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and roll it to the right. Right about there. Good. A little bit of right rudder.
Griffith Observatory, southeastbound, 1,600.
Pick our nose up a little bit.
Get my vector over southwest, we're westbound, about 2,000.
Pick our nose up a little bit. There we go. Nose down a little bit. On turning. All right, now we're going to...
Okay.
We're going to climb over those hills right in front of us. So when we climb, we go full power. So push your power in full. There you go. Pick your nose up a little bit. There you go. And we'll... Let's turn a little bit to the right. So a little bit of right rudder in there. Whenever we're climbing, we need right rudder just to go straight too.
Oh.
Okay. So let's pick the nose up. There we go. Little bit of right pressure on the foot, and we'll climb straight out. What controls our climbs is our airspeed. So we want to climb right at 80 miles an hour, all right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
80.
80. You got it. You're right on 80 right now. And we're going to climb up to 2,500, okay?
Okay. It's up to here.
Yeah.
Just comes around.
Keep our wings level. There we go.
Victor, West Longwell 134, south of the Rose Bowl.
Lower the nose a little bit. There you go. You're starting to slow down a little bit.
Oh.
All right. Let's go ahead and make a right-hand turn.
Southeastbound out of 1,400 for Hooper.
Little right rudder.
Little right rudder.
Who's
There
that?
you go. Pick this nose up a little bit. There we go.
That's 20.
And this is how we climb. We're climbing over the mountain.
Climbing over the mountains.
Yeah.
And the nose is only up a little bit.
Right. Well, it's only up about 10 degrees.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, right there. See, we can't really pull it up anymore or we'd lose a little bit too much airspeed.
Speed, yeah.
Yeah, and it's a combination of angle of attack and speed of the air over the wings that gives us our lift.
Oh.
Blue and white Cessna 7505 Golf, Topanga Canyon northbound, 2,500. All right, let's turn to the left.
Little left rudder.
Little left rudder. Perfect. Wings level.
Oh.
Level out the wings. Pick that nose up. Excellent. Now we're going out towards Westlake Village.
Yeah.
You know where that is?
Yeah, up the 101.
Yep. And we're going to climb up to about 3,000 feet, all right? Yeah, good.
Charlie 101 Ventura, westbound 1.4.
And then we'll lower our nose a little bit to level. Excellent. Yeah, Malibu practice area, blue and white Cessna 05 Golf. We're over north Topanga Canyon at 3,000 left and right-hand orbits. All right, let's try another one of those right-hand turns. All right, let's roll it to the right. Right about 20 degrees. We can see the horizon here, so we try to keep the horizon lined up right like that, okay?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, see, it's a little hazy today, so it's kind of difficult. We'll roll our wings level. And we'll try one to the left, okay? Let's clear over there to the left. So as soon as you get squared away, let's put that nose down a little bit. All right. Now let's go ahead and turn to the left.
I push the left rudder in.
Yep.
Oh, a little too much.
Yeah, a little steep, but right about there is perfect. And these are standard rate turns. We'll learn how to turn steeper.
Yeah. imagine after you get, you know, more acquainted with the plane and practice, you can feel what the 20 degrees feels like.
Oh, sure. You'll feel it. You'll see it. Yeah.
Yeah.
See those black buildings? Let's head directly towards them, okay?
Oh, okay.
Zulu weather. Wind variable at 6, visibility 10. Sky conditions clear below 12,000. Temperature 23, dew point 11, altimeter 2984. ILS running 16 right approach and use. Landing and departing running 16 right and left. Advise on initial contact. You have ATIS information. Victor.
Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 7505 Golf, 8.3 to the southwest. Victor, inbound request on the right.
Cessna 7505 Golf, Van Nuys Tower, right traffic, runway 16 right, squawk 0262.
0262, 05 Golf. All right, let's go ahead and make a right-hand turn. And this time, let's make it to 030. And we're going to descend down now. Okay, because we're going to come up on the Burbanks airspace, so we pull a little power. There you go, drop that nose, just like that. Right about there is good. All right, and we're coming up. All right, let's start rolling out of our turn. Excellent. Finish rolling out. We're right on 030, perfect. Keep that nose down. There we go. And I'm going to use electronic navigation to get us pointed right at the airport. Do-do-do-do. All right. Go ahead and give me a turn to 020. Go a little bit to the left. It's right there. There you go. And keep on descending, so keep that nose down. Perfect. Level out your wings. And we're headed down for 2,000 feet, okay?
Okay. Yeah, you can feel it in your ears.
Yeah.
I would always chew gum when I was a kid.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's roll a little bit to the left. There we go. Whichever way this airplane's tilted, we're going to turn that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, my ears are kind of beat up.
Oh, they're beat up? Yeah.
A little bit.
Play.
Yeah. And that's our airport right in front of us. You probably can't pick it out yet, but that's another thing we'll get used to and we'll start training for. Trying to find these airports.
Right there.
Yeah.
That's Van Nuys.
That's Van Nuys. We've been all around the city.
We've been all over.
We've been Hollywood,
yep.
Downtown, the beach, Thousand Oaks. You can turn a little bit to the left if you want. And we're going to level off at 2,000, so start pulling the nose up.
That's a 05 Golf, runway 16 right, close the land, wind 13012.
Let it land, 16 right, 05 Golf. All right, we'll just fly at 2,000, just right on this heading. And we're on what we call the 45 per down. It's a 45-degree angle to the downwind. And we go over all these terms quite a bit. Get you used to what they are.
Land into the wind.
Into the wind, upwind.
Yeah. You take off into the wind too.
Yep.
Yeah. Tango Tango, established on the approach for ILS 16 right.
Pier 555 Tango Tango, Van Nuys Tower, continue.
See, that's our control tower, that little box right in front of
Pier
us.
5 Tango Tango.
Yeah.
Traffic 11 to 12 o'clock northwestbound, type unknown. Altitude gauge 3,300, not on frequency.
No traffic.
And we're on the 45 for downwind, so any minute we're going to turn downwind. And when we turn downwind, we turn parallel right up the runway.
Oh, okay. How do you know where the downwind is?
You make it up.
Just below me, 555.
One of those.
5 Tango Tango.
So we're going to turn downwind, so let's make a left-hand turn.
That's a 05 Golf. You're inside of a Cirrus on an 8-mile final. Number
Oh, wait,
one, we can
am I
continue
supposed to
downwind
push
to
the
follow
left
your
rudder
choice
in?
advice.
Yeah, we can head right for the numbers now on a short approach, 05 Golf.
05 Golf approved, wind 12011.
12011, thanks a lot, 05 Golf. All right, so we've been approved for something a little out of the ordinary, because you're an out of the ordinary woman.
Hey.
All right, we're going right for the numbers right now. See, See those end of the runway?
Yeah.
That's where we're gonna land.
So we're gonna come back
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead. Let's pull our power back to 15. So go ahead, yank it back. Yep. Yep.
Burbank at the 101, not up at
Just bank it. Just take it all the way out. Actually, just pull it out. Boom.
Traffic Watch 9, I said Tango. Stay with me for the next couple of miles for traffic. 11 to 10 o'clock.
Just pull it all the way out.
On a helicopter
There you go. We'll pull this like that. Carburetor heat.
I'm gonna let you take over.
Okay, and we're doing what we call a short approach, okay?
Short approach.
Short approach. So trim up the 80 knots. Alright. Because there's a big jet coming in, and they were going to make us go, yeah, dance around out. So
They said to come hurry up.
yeah, so me and the controller worked it out where we're doing a short approach.
Okay.
Alrighty? So we pretty much got that runway made, so I'm just going to go ahead and start cranking the flaps in.
Slow us down.
Yeah, and allow us to put a steeper angle in on the airplane so that we can descend quicker. And I'm using the rudder right now to uncoordinate the flight of the airplane so I descend even quicker.
Wow, this is cool.
And I'm going to slide right into the middle of the runway like that. I'm going to release my rudder. And I'm going to level out the airplane. Lead the airspeed off. Pitch the nose up. And land. And I'll be off at Foxtrot.
That's a 05 Golf, ground point 7. Good day.
Thanks.
That's awesome.
And now we go to ground control. Van Nuys ground, Cessna 7505 Golf, Foxtrot for rotor effects.
7505 Golf, Van Nuys ground, taxi, rotor effects via Alpha.
Via Alpha, rotor effects 05 Golf. All right, we put a little power in, now we steer it with our feet.
Now let's do it to feet.
And I got drills that we go around the taxi area and we learn how to taxi and use our feet. Okay? But if you want to try it, go ahead and put your feet on those. And go ahead and step on the right one. We'll go off to the right. Now step on the left one. Alright, now step on the right one.
Like a lot?
Yeah. Go ahead, get used to it. There you go. Now step on the left one. There you go. And the right one. You want to try the brakes?
Yeah.
Try the toes, both together, all right? Gentle, easy. And that's how you stop. All right. We're going to make a left-hand turn, follow that yellow arrow. Yeah, no, just with your feet.
Oh.
So step on that thing. And then use a little brake if you have to.
I went the wrong way. Sorry.
It's okay.
It's a lot.
Right up the yellow line. It's a lot to learn in one day.
Yeah.
That's why they make you do it for 40 hours.
The 40 hours in the air.
Yeah. All right, now we're going to do a little brakes. A little brakes. Then let's do a right-hand turn.
You don't even need your hands anymore.
No, this doesn't do anything for us.
Yeah, that's the
Nothing.
gone now.
Gone, all gone. And then we taxi straight ahead.
So cool.
Tower 19-3, good day.
Oh, look at those planes.
Yeah, those are L-39s. They're Czechoslovakian trainers.
Wow.
All right, so to shut it off, Tammy, we turn all the electrical stuff off, so turn this switch off.
Van Nuys ground, jet edge 43 is at Western. Over to signature west.
Just twist it.
Jet edge 43, Van Nuys ground.
Turn that one off. All right, turn the beacon off. Pull the big red switch out, starves it for fuel. Turn the key off and the power off.
Where there?
Right, yeah, right there.